Hello, everybody. Oh, I'm on my phone using it. That's awkward. That's awkward. Um, I should hear me. You should hear me. Possibly. Yeah, you guys do hear me. So right now we have a severe weather threat going on. And actually, it kind of is going to be going on near my area because these storms, all the way from Flint, Michigan, down to Dayton, Ohio, are going to be going generally towards this area. We do have a lot of severe thunderstorms warning. We do have some severe thunderstorm warnings up here in Michigan. These are going to kind of go away, weaken a bit, but the southernmost storms over here in Michigan will continue to go, be possible tornadic. Possibly a tornadic. 1 second. I see somebody. 1 second, let me translate that. I can't copy it. 1 second. I see somebody posted something in the chat. Give me 1 good second. Let me translate that to English. Please, maybe English. Translate. Oh, this translating sucks. 1 second. And Puerto Rico can trigger when there's so many storms in. Yeah, that is true. That is completely true. And just continuing with our coverage, we do have a mesoscale discussion, including a tornado watch for everything. The tornado watch extends. Basically, that is horribly wrong. The tornado watch, if I remember, extends about like right here. And obviously the southernmost storms are going to be the strongest one. So that's why I'm making this stream. And sometime, maybe part of the stream I may have to go to cover just in case if I get in part of these storms. I can see they are producing hail. These supercells are producing hail. There was by Salina, Ohio, by Wapakoneta, I think it was this storm. Their ability front to actually produce a tornado that was on the ground for like a few seconds. Good thing is none of these severe thunderstorm warnings do not have a tornado possible tag on it, which means it's not possible for a tornado as of right now. Ooh, okay, 1 second. Let me translate that. A lot of translating. 1 second. I'm glad my phone has translating features on it. Edits. That's okay. Translate. Yeah, Puerto Rico. Yeah, Puerto Rico, because of the warm Gulf is always bringing in moisture, and that moisture can affect these general areas. So it makes sense for a lot of flooding risks, possibly like strong storm risks. What sucks is the hurricanes down there. The hurricanes or typhoons. Well, not it's hurricanes here in the northern hemisphere, but the hurricanes down there, which sucks. But as you can see on if I do this correctly, on the bottom right of your screen is the current tornado threat, which the strongest one exists in Ohio. translate. Yeah, okay, yeah, storms are gonna be forming. Actually, let's see the radar. Or do we not have continental radar down there? Yeah, look at that. Here, actually, let's go into, before we do Ohio coverage, let's go into Puerto Rico coverage. Let's look at the velocities on that. It looks like some strong thunderstorms. Let me make sure I'm using that's the only radar there. It does look like by, just a bit, southwest of Cagus, if I'm pronouncing that right. It does look like there was at least potentially some rotation there. It looks like it's dying off. We can't tell for sure because it's so close to the radar. But definitely, it looks like the, it does look like the storms, near Ponce. Oh, one second. Ponce or Pol Oja. Porter, and also by Utero or Florida, Puerto Rico. It looks like they have some strong thunderstorm potential. This wrong button. That is just completely the wrong button. It looks like these storms are moving kind of slow, which means they're a bit stationary. It just looks like the rotation there's not really any rotation on these storms at all. Okay, now, but we do, for Ohio, have a tornado possible signature on a storm near St. Paris that is moving towards Delaware, Ohio, just north of Columbus, near Marysville. It does have a tornado possible tag on it. You can see there is a bit of some rotation. Not too much. There's a lot of hail with this storm. A lot of hail. Lots of hail. These supercells. And if I look, I am right here where this blue thing is, and I can look outside right now and I can see some blue skies. Now, if you're in the tornado watch in Ohio, if you see blue skies, that is not great. Definitely not good. That's not a good sign. As good that might be to you, it is not a good sign. Gotta keep up. Gotta keep up with the chat. The image of the hideout in the next few hours. The next few hours in Puerto Rico. Yes, I can do that. Sure, I can do that. Once I just go over the areas as of right now. So there's a new mesoscale discussion right over here near Columbus, Mansfield, how it is north of Dayton. These storms don't really have a lot of rotation on them. We will still be watching them, though. But as requested, we will go into the future cast. So I will do that right now. I think I have everything set up. The regions. I wonder if it's going to let. I wonder if it's going to let me. Tropic. Maybe. Here, maybe hold on. Maybe I have to switch. Maybe I have to switch models. 1 second. Lower dynamics. Bruh. 1 second. North America. Looks like it's not going to let us. But wait, hold on. I think I know something that may let us. I think maybe this will let us. The GFS. Yes, the GFS will let us. Let's go. Okay. Looks like the GFS will let us see that region. The thing I do not like about the GFS is that it's not that good of a radar kind of predictor. 1 second, I see a lot of emojis on the screen. I see a lot of emojis. 1 second. I will go into that model. Let's see here. Yeah, a lot of floodings. Definitely a lot of flooding. So, let's go into this. So, okay. So we're recording this. All right. So, can I use red? Okay. So as of this is as of right now. Puerto Rico is right there. Looks like we do have a low pressure over here. It looks like it just may scale to the bit. The west, we do have, looks like a high pressure system and another high pressure system moving out. But we can see a sneaky little low pressure system, which is going to kind of drive these storms a bit north. So to my predictions, I think it is going to be a lot more rain. Yeah, definitely more rain. Yeah, definitely a lot of rain for that Puerto Rico, all of Puerto Rico for the next couple of days. You guys may see a break by tomorrow or tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon, you guys may see just a little bit of a break for the rain. Not a big break, but a little one. Yeah, a lot of hurricanes in that area. They get a lot of hurricanes over there. Actually, I can use the hurricane GFS. No storms. Mesoscale. I'd like the HRR, please. Alright, now that we covered the future cast for that area, we're going to go back over here to see our main threat today, which is these storms. So it looks like these storms will move out of Ohio by, I'm going to say by 10 p.m. today. By 10 p.m. today, these storms will move out of Ohio. It looks like they will go a bit. Are we back? Are we back? Are we back, y'all? I think the high wind may have knocked my, the high wind may have knocked the radar out. I mean, my weather station out. Looks like that just happened. But as I was saying, these storms will be a bit more discrete supercells as they go near basically northeastern Ohio. After northeastern Ohio, they'll go a bit more linear once they reach Pennsylvania, and then they'll fizzle out possibly respark back in that New Jersey area, and then that's that of it. But then there's going to be a new system, and we will see that soon. Let's see, 1 second. I know my internet went out for just a bit. My internet did go out. We'll see that soon. Let's see, 1 second. I know my internet. Yeah, okay, so we are still here. Sorry, the internet problems over here. Let's go back to RadarScope. Oh, we have a tornado in Ohio. Okay, everybody, 1 second. We do have a tornado warning for Ohio. All right, so tornado warning. Can I get a radar on that, please? Please, can I get a radar on that, please? Hey. We have a tornado warning for Ohio, everybody. A tornado warning. Tornado warning, everybody, for Marion and Morrow, Ohio. Once again, a tornado warning for Marion and Morrow, Ohio. As we can see here, looking at the supercell, we could see some rotation going on just south of Big Island and north of Green Camp. This will be moving just a bit north of Marion, Ohio, going towards Caledonia, Ohio. Oh, actually, it's going to go just south of Marion, Ohio, towards Clarendon. Even if you're not in the projected track, everybody in the warning box still needs to take cover because this is still some high wind speeds. All right? This will reach just east of Marion by 4:04 p.m. We will continue to track that until it gets to 4:19. If the rotation still persists, okay, my Apple Pencil is done charging. I'm going to put this iPad back in its charger so we can continue a connection. Yes, a tornado warning. The thunderstorm is capable of producing tornadoes, obviously. I can't read chat right now because, obviously, covering tornadoes. Oh, shoot. Yeah, definitely if you... Let's see if I can actually get a better view for Cleveland. No, KLN's going to be the best. Yeah, Marion, Ohio, Big Island. It's like, yeah, Marion, it's just south of Marion. I mean, Marion right now is getting some pretty strong winds, so even if you don't get a tornado, you know, once again, Marion and Morrow, Ohio. Marion County in north central Ohio and western Morrow County in north central Ohio until 4:30 p.m. As of right now, I'm not seeing any... 1 second, I may have to hold my words for a second. Where are these quad? I mean, where that rotation is, Big Island. It does. I mean, it doesn't have. I don't know if we can call it a correlation drop. I mean, maybe a little. So this could potentially be on the ground. I don't want to say it is, but I don't think this is that correlation drop. I don't know if that's like a thing to be worried about, because it could. I don't think personally. I do not think this is on the ground, but once again, it could be a correlation. But you know, we do have just a little bit of a correlation drop, but this may be from hail, because look at that hail right there. That could be from hail, which I think it is from hail or heavy rain. And I do not think that it is a tornado on the ground. But if there is, we could back this up on radar. But once again, I do not think. I think this just means hail. Now, see, we're gonna have to work. If you live near Urbana or Urbana. If you live near Urbana, Ohio, you may have to start watching this. These storms, they could be getting ready for something. They could be getting ready. They are definitely producing a lot of hail and rain. That is for certain. Yeah, these severe thunderstorms are just popping off. It looks like the rotation is actually shifted. The rotation shifted a bit north of Marion, so it actually surprisingly, the rotation shifted, basically. Yeah, the rotation has shifted. Once again, I'm not seeing a correlation drop at the moment, but once again, it could be some. I am potentially seeing, once again, yeah, it shifted a bit north. So it did go through Marion. The rotation did go through Marion. There could have been a tornado on the ground. Even if there was, you should have took heed to the warning. Just like if you look on the top left screen where it says Super Res Reflectivity 1, you can see the base of the storm, and you can kind of see what looks like to be some inflow winds injecting inside the storm to help wrap around that rotation, to help that rotation and not die out and put a tornado on the ground. But the rotation is a bit more weaker on the weaker side, but it's still there, so you do have to continue watching. It looks like it did weaken out literally right when it did hit Marion. So, but once again, tornadoes normally do spawn either during the best rotation or during the end of the rotation. That's when that's the two times when they spawn. During the most potential, during like the most strongest part of the rotation, or during the weakest part of the rotation is when the tornado spawns. Normally. So we could have saw one. Potentially we could see one if the correlation drop gets a bit more droppier. But I think once again this is just hail. Yeah, it is showing a lot of hail. Still showing rain. So I think that correlation, I think it is just hail and heavy rain. I think we can safely say that. But there may not be a tornado on the ground, which personally, once again, I do not think there is. But any moment there could be. So please continue to stay on the ground for this warning box. We could even see on the bottom left of your screen the rain and the inflow kind of going in. To get an update, it looks like that rotation is becoming even more broader. So it is separating. If I was the National Weather Service, I would let this expire in the next round, their next radar scan. If it continues to weaken in the next radar scan, I would expire this. As of right now, I would, even though it looks very weak, possibly little rotation, I would still keep this as a tornado warning just in case. The rotation, it looks like the rotation literally just separated just a bit northeast of Marion, Ohio. It looks like the rotation just separated a little bit and broke down a little bit over northeast Marion, Ohio. The rotational track, it's tracking north of Mount Gilead, just south of Galley and west of Mansfield. Did I just see lightning, or was my eyes deceiving me? No. So Marion, we could be seeing just a bit more of a correlation drop right where that rotation would be. Once again, I am thinking that this is just hail. Okay, looking at this, that remnant rotation, this remnant rotation, which is about right here, looks like it's just become mostly hail. The bottom left of your screen can confirm that. The inflow notch is still there. Inflow notch is still there. The rear flick downdraft is kind of a bit late, but inflow notch is still there. So if there was a tornado, it'd be somewhere along here. And it looks like that is where the rotation is, so we will see. There could potentially be something on the ground. I don't know. Ooh, what's that? Oh, whoa, wait, 1 second. What? Whoa, wait. Why did the correlation just drop so fast? Where is this at? Where is this area at? Whoa, okay. Wow, is this on the ground? No, I mean, that was a fast correlation drop. I mean, this thing just shifted from going over here to over here to over here, then just straight up. That's its current track, so this is actually going to keep going north, possibly going towards Mansfield. This thing is just moving directions every single second. The rotation is still there. Just barely. It does look like it is becoming a bit more outflow dominant, which means we could see this inflow kind of collapsing on itself, which means the rotation could be once again collapsing on itself. The correlation drop right here on your bottom right of the screen, the correlation drop right there where that blue is, I'm kind of surprised at that, because where that correlation drop is where that remnant rotation is. I'm going to look at Twitter just in case if there is any reports. Radar. We have a new tornado watch. I'm in a new tornado watch now. It's fun. But actually, let's go into that tornado watch. Can we go into that tornado watch? Yeah, let's go into that tornado watch. So things are getting hectic. A storm prediction center. Ow, that hurt. Here's what that tornado watch is. Tornadoes. Here's where that is. X. Here it is. A couple tornadoes possible. This is until 12 a.m., everybody. A couple tornadoes possible. Cleveland, you're out of the watch, but Cleveland, you were actually still in a watch till 7. Now that I'm here, I actually wanted to see something. Bruh. It's gonna make me sign in. Alright. I'm gonna sign on my phone. I'm gonna see if I can see the storms, everybody. So I may take you with me. I'm gonna leave my Apple Pencil here. I'm gonna see if we can take you, or if I can shift gears to my phone. One second. If I can log in on my phone, that would be great. StreamChamp, if you can make that happen. Oh, man. Yeah, no, it's not gonna do it. It looks like I'm gonna have to use my iPad if I want to continue streaming. I don't know, guys. Should I bring my iPad out there and record the storms as they come in? I should charge my phone. I should charge my phone. Wait, I have an idea. Actually, I can stream on here. I can. One second, everybody. We're gonna be right back. I'm gonna show you this. Yeah. We're gonna be right back. No, YouTube. We're gonna copy the code. We're gonna go into the Discord. Send me a Discord notification. I added a webcam. Excuse me. Excuse me. Webcam. It should work. It is linked. Yo. 1 second, yo. Webcam. Here, wait. One second, y'all. All right. How do I do this? Understand. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna be going live on Twitch. No network. We're downloading Streamlabs, everyone. We are under a tornado watch. A tornado watch as these storms come. It's a bit blue outside, but it's starting to go. Oh, my neighbor's tree is really good. That's good. Oh. You guys, we're going live on Twitch. Oh god. Alright, we are live on Twitch, I think. Maybe. Possibly. Oh, there's 2 tornado warnings. I don't know which one God. Freaking radar. Shit. Where am I? That Cleveland. Okay. Storms are almost here. The rain before the snow. I get what the fuck? The rain before the storm. Shit. Where are we looking? The storms They're coming from over there. Wait. Shit. Oh yeah, that fucking hornet. Storms are coming from there. Coming from there. 1 second. Oh my god. What?